If you want more local customers from Google, optimize your Google business profile with these 5 simple SEO tips. Number 1. Complete your business information. Add phone number, service, business hours, and website. Number 2. Upload high quality photos regularly. Businesses with photos get more clicks and engagement. Number 3. Collect customer reviews. More positive reviews improve trust and local rankings. Number 4. Respond to every reviews. It show that your business is active and professional. Number 5. Post updates on your profile. Regular posts help your business stay visible in local search. Use these Google business profile tips to get more local visibility on Google. Follow for more SEO tips.